MVP right here. Big boy. Comparison, I'm gonna use my snap-on half inch. But let's just see. Now, bear with me. The gun is like 10 years old. This shit is struggle. Milwaukee. It's crazy that he even can. Thank you, in my way. I wanted to put up Tony's half-inch snap-on versus the Milwaukee. Can't, right? Yeah. I don't, bro, snap-on ain't this. I've been seeing a lot of people online making fun of other people for buying snap-on electric tools.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy electric tools unless it's like gravity.
Today's Brandon's birthday! We're gonna sing him happy birthday!
My boy! Happy birthday, Brandon!
Watch. Let's see. Yo. Nah, bro. There's no way this shit right. This shit can't be right. This can't be right. There's no way. A little baby gun. There's no way this is hitting over 450 foot pounds. And like 10 of them. It's like 10 of them.